Welcome to Alicia's life journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. So today I'm doing a review on a blender. It's called Oster Dual Blast Classic blender. And the good thing I like about this blender is because it is a jar glass, and a jar glass is way healthier than the plastic kind. And why in fact is because of the BPA that's in plastic blenders. So BPA is a chemical compound in plastic. BPA is very, very toxic, and it causes like medical effects, like it can cause structural damage to your brain. It could be one cause of cancer. So the Dual Blast Oyster Classic Series 5 Speed Blender, and this is the color one that's white. They come in more than one color, but there's usually black, silver, and then there's white. It's easy and safe to clean. It's dishwasher safe. It's also shatterproof. You can make icy drinks like smoothies. You can make salsa, vegetable soup. You can just chop up and finally grind things in it. The blender chopper is stainless steel. It has a Crush Pro 4 blade with 4-point design that pulverizes and chops with precision. It also has a cold thermal hollow polyester insulation, which provides better heat resistance with less weight. The Dual Blast is all metal drive. It has durable metal to metal connection, which allows us to blend up to 10,000 smoothies, and drive features up to 10 years warranty. It has 5 speeds. As you can see, other than off, there is low, medium, high, and pulse. And that pulse is used like to crush ice. So you see, it's like the low is for easy clean and stir, the medium is milkshake cream, and the high is smoothie extract. And you know, like I said before, the pulse is for the ice cubes. So I'm just going ahead and show you what this can do. I'm just going to go ahead and put water in it and soap. Again, it can make up to 6 cups. It has 14 number of speeds, 14. The model is, if you want this model, is BLSTSGBOOOO. Okay, and again, the brand is Oyster and Sunbeam Products Inc. So it's really nice. You can buy this on their website, or you can buy this at Walmart, Target, wherever you can. And because I'm just trying to clean it, because I used it prior, I'm cleaning with the soap and the water. And I'm just going to play with the different speed levels. It also comes with a lid, and just for safety lid to throw your like strawberries or whatever food you're throwing in there without it splattering all over the place. It's like a little small hole you could put up there, see, and cover it back up. So here you go. This is on the low setting. This is on the medium setting. This is on the high setting. And this is on the pulsating setting where you use to crush ice. Now it's off. So I'm just going ahead and fast forward this video for you. I'm just emptying it out. The soap and water, I'm just cleaning it a little bit. And you see how it just like really does it really good. Then you can just like clean it out with the water, and you know, you can unscrew the jar and you see the blades that I told you about. The stainless steel 4 blades with the 4 points that can pulverize and chop with precision. So this is really nice. This blender is 5 stars because I like it. I'm doing a $25 Amazon gift card giveaway once I reach 280 subscribers, because unfortunately I didn't make my prior goal of 250 subscribers because I kept losing them before I did the live stream. So the details are going to be below of how to do that gift card giveaway, how to enter in. And yes, I really do have this Amazon gift card that I've been holding for about 3 months now, and I'm ready to give it to a lucky winner on the live stream.